सो हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है हितेश मेहता और आज इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं source code in Python for checking whether a string is a palindromic string or not. So without wasting any time, let's begin with this video. So सबसे पहले let me give you a brief idea about what is actually a palindromic string. So एक palindromic string वो होती है, palindromic string या palindromic number are those numbers and strings जो कि right to left and left to right they are read as the same. For example, let me take a string called madam. Okay, madam. This string, it is read as madam when we move from left to right, and it is again read as madam only when we move from right to left. तो ये आगे से पीछे और पीछे से आगे दोनों तरीके से it is read as madam only. This string is called a palindromic string. Let me give you an example of a number also. So if we consider a number 1 2 3 2 1, this number is read as 1 2 3 2 1 when we move from left to right, and same when we move from right to left. So that this number is also called a palindromic number. Okay, so but in this video we'll limit ourselves to check for a palindromic string. In the next video we'll be covering how to check for the palindromic number. Okay, so what is actually the logic that we can use here for checking whether a string is a palindromic string or not? We can simply say if the string, actual string, is equal to that of the reverse string, the opposite of that, the reverse string of that, then we can happily say that the given string is a palindromic number. यानी suppose madam है, तो madam हमारी actual string होगी और उसकी reverse string that is also madam. यानी if both of them are equal, both of them are the same thing, then we can happily say that this is a palindromic string. So let's begin. Okay, so let me define a function called palindrome. Okay, and let's give st, the string, as a parameter. Okay, now what we can do here is, first of all, let me take reverse of string. Let me create a variable rev underscore st, and I'll do the reverse of the string. How to do reverse? Will use the list slicing here. We'll use the list slicing here. Okay, reverse of colon -1. So here, when I have not specified the start and stop value, it generally means, it by default means that I am starting from -1. That is the last character of my string to the minus of length of -1. It actually moves till, it actually runs till minus of length. Okay, minus of length. For example, I have 8 characters in my string, so it will move from -1 up to -8, and hence it will give me the opposite string. And don't forget, you have to specify the step value as -1, else you will end up getting the normal string. Okay, you'll get up the normal actual st. Okay, so reverse of string will be this. Okay, I have gotten the reverse string. Now what actually I can do here is, it's very easy. If reverse of st, I'm very sorry, if reverse of st equal to the original st, then we can say that print st is a palindromic string. Okay, it's very easy. If both the reverse and this original string is equal, then we can happily say that both of them, the actual string is the palindromic string. Or else, if it does not happens, so we can say st is not a palindromic string. Okay, so let's run this code. Don't forget, you have to call your function also, and for that we need the value of st. So let's ask the user to provide us a string. Okay, so st equals to input, we can say enter any string of your choice. Okay, of your choice. That's it. Now we have to call the function, that is, we'll say palindrome of st. Okay, I'm very sorry, I have done a mistake here. Spelling mistake? Yes. So that's it. That's the code. Let's run this code and let me show you the output. Okay, let's run this code. So yes, it is asking me to enter the value of string. Okay, so let me add a value that is a non palindromic string. For example, let me add my name, Hitesh. Okay, so it will show me that Hitesh, it's not a palindromic string. Let me run it once again. Let us run this once again. If we add a palindromic string here, for example, madam, it will show me madam is a palindromic string. Let me take another example of a palindromic string. For example, Kanak. Kanak is a Hindi name, and Kanak is also a palindromic string because ye aage or piche it is read as the same. Okay, so that's it. That's the code for the palindromic string. I'll provide this in the description box below. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Share it to your dear ones. Share it with your friends so that they can also get the benefit of this video. Happy learning, and please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.